everybody, welcome back. Today we are making Paddington's birthday cake. So if you don't know, Paddington is my Pomeranian. He's actually not at home right now, so normally I would like to have him here. But I'll insert a couple clips of him eating the cake so that you know I have a dog. I don't know. But yeah, this cake is a rainbow cake, which is really exciting because it can be hard to make treats for your dog that are as colorful as the ones you can make for yourself. But I found a solution, so let's get started and I'll show you what it is. Okay, so first, to bake the cake, place the cornflakes into a Ziploc bag and crush into crumbs. Then pour them into a large bowl. Add some coconut flakes, some flour, peanut butter, hot water, a mashed banana, and some eggs. Mix them together with an electric mixer, and I will have all the ingredients and everything listed down below in case you want to make it, so don't worry about trying to write down any quantities or anything. Then spray 4 6-inch round cake pans with cooking spray, and divide the cake between the 4 pans. So I actually made half of the recipe that I'm showing you how to make in the video, so I'm only using 2 cake pans, but then I realized I wanted 2 more layers, so I made some more later. So that is why it might look different from what the recipe says below, but don't worry, just follow the recipe. Then bake the cakes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes or until the edges are golden. Allow the cakes to cool completely. Then to make the frosting, beat the cream cheese and peanut butter with an electric mixer until light and fluffy and set it aside. To assemble your cake, slice off any raised areas from the surface of the cakes with a serrated knife so that the surfaces are flat. Stack the cakes on a platter of your choice, and then you want to take 1 cup of frosting and mix it with another mashed banana. Then spread the frosting evenly between each layer. And Paddington is like dying at this point. He was so excited, so I'm sure your dog will be very excited too. Then divide half of the remaining frosting into 5 bowls. Dye it red, yellow, green, blue, and pink with natural food coloring. Place the frosting into piping bags and just snip off the ends to create a medium-sized chip. Then place the remaining white frosting into a piping bag as well. Pipe horizontal stripes onto the sides and top of the cake in the order of the rainbow, piping a white stripe between each layer. Use a cake spatula or a cake scraper to smooth the sides. Then just top it with extra dollops of frosting or some dog treats. I was racing against the clock because the light was, like the sun was setting and I needed to actually give Paddington the cake. So I just put dollops on top, but some cute dog cookies would also look super cute on top. And then just serve it to your puppy and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have requests for any other dog themed recipes, definitely let me know in the comments down below and I will make those for you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on Sunday for a weekly vlog. Bye!